everyone, Savannah here, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you some Easter DIYs. And so first I'm going to be showing you how I created this lovely Easter egg wreath, as well as this bunny and this bunny centerpiece. If you want to follow me, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below, and please give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for Easter. And without further ado, let's hop on to it. To create this Easter egg wreath, first you will need a wreath, a hot glue gun, and some plastic eggs. So first I just laid down some paper towels before I begin. And so I'm just going to take my plastic eggs and my hot glue gun. I'm just going to glue them around the wreath. I have added a bow to the top of my wreath, and now I'm just going to glue on these carrots around my wreath. For this next creation, I have my bunny, and I'm going to be gluing on this little cotton ball to resemble a cottontail, and then this carrot for its little carrot food. So first, I'm just going to take my cotton ball and I'm just going to glue some hot glue on. And then for the carrot, I'm just going to glue a little part here. I just love how this DIY turned out. The carrot and the cottontail make it look 3D, and I love the little details of the yellow and blue outside. And this is such an easy but festive DIY. So first, I'm just going to take my cute little bunny placemats and I'm going to place them around my table. And then on the ends of my table, I'm just going to put these little plants down. And then I have these rabbits. Let's use in the center. So for my centerpiece, I'm going to put this shredded confetti in the bunny here. And then I'm going to take these nice eggs that have a gold tint on the outside and just place them in my centerpiece. And now I'm just going to add some carrots to my table. I'm going to place some confetti eggs on my table as well. And these have some glitter on them too, and they come in different colors like blue, green, pink, yellow, and purple. This is what my table looks like after I have decorated it. I love it so much. It looks festive for Easter and the springtime. On my door here, I just have these window clings. They just have some eggs, some butterflies, and a cute little bunny. The bunny is my favorite part out of this whole door, and here's just another overview of it. Thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed creating all of these DIYs for Easter, and it has made my house more festive and ready for spring. If you would like to follow me, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and I would love it if you gave this video a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video, and happy Easter. Bye!